Welcome to your GPS Boss onboarding. In this video, we will cover how to use the Telemetry feature. Telemetry is a good way to see highly detailed information about each data upload from an asset. Telemetry is often useful in diagnosing any issues you may be having with a device. There are two telemetry screens, I/O and Standard. These can be accessed in the taskbar under the Assets tab. The I/O telemetry page displays data point by point as it's uploaded. Here we can see the changes in temperature and voltage read by the device. The data that is shown here can be customized under the I/O tab when editing an asset. The standard telemetry page breaks down the data sent by the tracker much further. You will see the date and time of the log from the tracker, the log reason, the delay in transmission from device to server, and please note that if this is large, there may be an issue with the device, so please get in contact with us. You will also see the latitude and longitude, the GPS age. Again, if this is large, there may be an issue with the device, but it is worth noting that if an asset does not move, the tracker will continue to use the same GPS data to stop small movements around the map. You also see the speed, the use speed limit, speed band, and local speed limit, which are all TG Pro features. You have the speed accuracy, heading degrees, altitude, and position accuracy. Next, you have the PDOP, which is the quality of the fix obtained by the tracker. Values closer to 1 indicate better results. Next, you have the digital inputs. These are numbered 0 to 31, right to left. These inputs are represented with zeros, which is off, and ones, which is on. The inputs are either set physically or via the software. A list of the default inputs can be found on the knowledge base. The main input to look at is input 0, which is reserved for ignition. Next, you will see the driver ID code read for the trip, the trip type code, and the project code. Then we have the analog inputs. Analog 1 is reserved for battery capacity, and the value shown here will depend on the device type. Analog 2 is the external voltage reading, which is only shown for hardwired devices. The value here is millivolts, so 1200 millivolts is 12 volts. If a tracker stops connecting and the last readings here are well below 12 volts, then we can assume that the asset is flat. Analog 3 is the temperature, and analog 4 is the cellular signal strength. If you need help with anything else, please contact us and we'll be happy to help.